I want you to click the Kinsta link I have put at the very top of the description. I am asking you to do this because you might be fighting a battle you cannot win. Physics. If your customers are in London, but your server is in Los Angeles, your website will always be slow. The signal has to travel 5,000 miles under the ocean. You cannot code your way around the speed of light. So open that link, look for data centers, and let's talk about location strategy. Here is the mistake 90% of beginners make. They sign up for a hosting account. The host asks, "Where do you want your server?" They don't know, so they just leave it on the default setting, US East Virginia, but then they launch a local business targeting people in India or Australia. Every time a customer visits that site, the data has to travel halfway around the world and back. That adds 200 to 300 milliseconds of latency to every single click. It doesn't matter how much you optimize your images. It doesn't matter if you use a caching plugin. You are physically too far away from your money. This is why I host on Kinsta. Go back to that link I told you to open. Kinsta lets you choose from 37 different Google Cloud data centers for every single site you create. You are not locked into one location. Targeting the UK. Put your server in London. Targeting Asia. Put it in Tokyo, Singapore, or Mumbai. Targeting Europe. Put it in Frankfurt or Zurich. You bring the server to the customer. This slashes the physical latency from 200 milliseconds down to 10 milliseconds. It is the single most effective way to improve your time to first byte because you are removing the distance. I had a client running a news blog for a specific region in Brazil. He was hosted on a big-name host that only had servers in Utah, USA. His site felt snappy to him because he lived in the US, but his readers in Brazil were complaining that it was slow. We moved him to Kinsta and selected the São Paulo data center. The site speed for his readers improved by 400% instantly. He didn't change a line of code. He just moved the house closer to the neighbors. Stop forcing your data to swim across the ocean. Look at your analytics. See where your customers are. Put your server there. Click the Kinsta link in the description. Pick your location. Click the link. Beat the physics and get instant delivery.